So, just a quick explanation of how to swap out your air filter on your N55 BMW engine. This particular one is a 2013 X5. So I got this just a week ago and noticed I'm getting really bad gas mileage. So, I mean, it's always a good idea to swap out your air filter on a new car, and just because who knows when it was last changed. But yeah, this is my first step. Tomorrow will be spark plugs and we'll evaluate from there. But to do this, it's pretty simple. I've had BMWs that were easier and didn't require any tools, but this one's still easy. So you'll want to make sure you, first of all, choose an air filter. I started with this stock dirty one. Looks like it's the stock MAN BMW filter. It was absolutely filthy when I pulled it out. Not really what you want to have going on. Got dust all over the freshly detailed engine bay. So I wasn't ready to go with a fancy dine-in or whatever cold box setup. So I just got the drop-in K&N filter. There's a good reason for that. K&N are reusable. You can just wash them every 50,000 miles. And they say on here that they're good for up to 1 million as long as you take care of them. So that reduces waste of the old ones. Anyway, so how we do this is first you're going to need a Torx T25. There are 6 screws. You don't want to take them all the way out because they might fall into bad places and you'll never see them again, but they come up maybe about 1 centimeter. So there's 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, and 6 here. Real easy. Again, don't take them all the way out. And then you want to loosen this flathead. Easy peasy. And then you can pretty much just lift this off slightly and pull it out. You want to pull it out of there too, carefully, because some of the plastic can be brittle. And then you're in. And it's easy as just pulling out the old one and dropping in the new one. Put it back in the way it was supposed to. You may find there's some debris down in there. Because the way this system works, it just sucks air straight through here into this tube and into the box where it gets filtered for particles and then into the engine to make explosions and fun, fast times. So, yeah, you may find leaves or a frog, maybe a mouse, maybe a diamond ring, I don't know. You can find all sorts of things in there, but make sure you clean that out before you seal it back up. So let's have a listen and see how it sounds now that I've replaced it.